Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hi to all of you. Today I'm going to start the new topic about computer science. Topic name is components of computer. Now this presentation I will show you, it will be beneficial for the O level, A level and DIT, BS and also matrix system and FSC. This one, components of computer. Now components of computer. What is in your mind? Components of computer. Now you see these are different components of computer: mouse, speakers, disk drive, video monitor, visual display unit, central processing unit, CPU, and system unit. We can say that thing. Now hard disk, backing storage, and microphone. Go further. Now hardware and software. If you purchase the hardware, you not install the software, this machine can't be work. And also the other one is liveware, means users. Now first one is the hardware, physical components of computer. We can touch this part, allow user to enter data and information into computer and retrieve. Retrieve means recall. You can recall that one. Cannot perform any task without software. Now, if problem occur in hardware, then it will be repaired, replaced. Okay, now the software. Now software is logical components of a computer. Now this one we cannot touch, and also these are the form of the instruction. They tell the computer that what to do. Now it cannot exit it without hardware. It cannot execute it without hardware. Right? We need hardware for execution of the software. If any problem in the software, then it will be reinstalled. Now hardware. You already know about the hardware very well if you are a computer student. Motherboard is the main electronic components of computer. Circuit board. Microprocessor is the one of the most important piece of the processing hardware on the motherboard. Cards are removable circuit boards. You can remove a card. And the computer components, logical unit of the computer, input unit, you know about that one, output unit, memory unit, arithmetic logic unit, and central processing unit and secondary storage unit. Now central processing unit we have control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and immediate access storage, and also the input and output devices. And backing storage means the hard disks, CDs, DVDs, right? Now data signals. This green one is showing the data signals, and control signal, this red one dots. You will see control will be performed, control, and these are the, in that one green one is data signals, it will be goes. Now working. When you are going to input the data from the input unit, it will go there in ROM and RAM. After that, it will perform these things. And bagging storage using for storage devices to store the data, and after that output will become. Now input and output. When you are going to feed the data or instruction to the computer, now this is the input. The data instruction you type into the computer are called input. Now the result will be shown to you after processing, it called output. Now result of the computer process your input referred to as output. Peripheral devices accomplish input and output function, means the extra attached with that one. Peripherals are peripheral devices, keyboard and mouse. These are the peripheral devices, LCDs. Now input devices, there are different type of input devices available in market. If you are talking about Pakistan, we have India, Bangladesh, or European Union, or UK, this one, and also America, Middle East, UAE, Saudi Arabia. Now there are many devices there, but commonly you can use pointing devices and keyboard. Now use the devices such as keyboard, mouse for input the data, issue the commands. You know about that one, scanner, and many more. Output devices showing the result, LEDs, LCDs, monitor, printers, and also multimedia. Alright. Nowadays smart boards there. These are the output devices. Now memory units. In memory unit, it is divided in two parts: RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read only memory. These are the chips showing inside that one. Backing storage means you can store the data for a long period. This one is called main memory. You cannot store the data inside that one for long period, or any software data you can't store. For that purpose, huge amount of data you can store in the backing storage. Consist of the disk drivers used to store data when power is switched off. We are using two types: magnetic media, hard disk, tape, and floppy disk come inside there, and optical storage devices, CDs, DVD, CDR, CD write and read and write, and CD-ROM using for that purpose. Now brain of the computer, central processing unit, further divided into three parts: control unit, arithmetic unit, and logic. Now we will go further. Control unit. Control unit is the supervisor, just like a supervisor of the school or HM of the school, to only supervise, guide the other teachers or labors and our admin. Just like that one, it is responsible to coordinate with the input and output. You will do that type of, you will do that type of work. Arithmetic, in which all the calculation are involved: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. And logical unit, you want to compare the two values, like a greater than b, a equal to b, just like that one. It contains the logical decision. Alright, these are the greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and these are the all operation performed inside that one. Now why use computer? Because it is fast and accurate. If the user enter the accurate data, it will give you the accurate result. Right? Now computer can keep large amount of information in a small space. A computer work 24 hours, just like nowadays you are seeing that one online system, online purchasing, and also the other thing, ATM machines, 24 hour, and also the different industry car manufacturer, and many more. Chemical industry, robot using for that purpose, right? And many things. The computer can do some jobs that would be impossible without them. Yes, of course. Now drawbacks of that one. Computer can replace people. Yes, this is very alarming thing. Then it replace the people. Now computer hold personal information which many may be misused, just like a hacker hack that thing, right? Now problem arise when computer cannot be used. The staff need to be trained. Yes, we train the staff of signals that pass between the main processor and the other hardware. Control signals, including the signals sent out by the main processor and the other hardware. Data signal, these are the group of the binary digit that are used to represent characters. Now we will discuss this one binary digit in number system. Inshallah in future I will make video for that one number systems. Okay, thanks a lot. Now subscribe my channel and share the video, like the video. If you have want to ask any question, you can, right? Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care. I will waiting for you for your question, comments, right? You will write question in the comments. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself. Have a nice